Hey, welcome back guys to a new video. If you like these very short videos, because today is very short, then please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Show your love and appreciation. That's all I'm asking. Right, yesterday we talked about the price maybe going down a little bit, do some retesting of support and resistance. And as you can see, that is what is happening right now. The first support that comes in is 23.6. That's a fib that we pulled up yesterday. Then we have this diagonal line going down, and that might be support, maybe not. If it doesn't hold, then not a huge deal. Then the 38.2 around the 40k is then our next level, 41k, and then this box here, that's the 0.5 and 61.8, which is between, let's say, 39 and 40k. That is what I'm looking out for right now. If you zoom in on the 4 hourly, then we saw this wedge that we draw yesterday that is then now broken. I actually took a short around here and I also closed it again, so it was a bit of a scalp trading, because if we are zooming in a little bit further, then we are seeing that we're finding some support, not only on this yellow line that you see right here, that's the 42k. There's a lot of buying pressure here. I just looked into some order books and I saw that there's so many buy orders around this level. So if we break it, then it might be very harsh. But right now it looks like we are finding some support. To be honest, if it's up to me, we go down a little bit further, because that is a bit more textbook retesting and then going higher. But you know, sometimes it is what it is, and we only go until the 23.6 or like another support line that is coming in closer. That's just sometimes the way it is. Yesterday when I made the video, the MACD was exactly here, and later on when I uploaded it, I was like, I felt actually a little bit guilty that I didn't mention it, because there was of course then close by this bearish crossing, which now happened. So I would say be careful a little bit when entertaining longs. If we're zooming in on the hourly, then we can see we had this drop right here, and we are kind of now bottoming out here a little bit. So the question is, will we go much lower or not? I am staying very cautious at the moment. Like I said, because you have a few of these resistance coming in. If we are zooming in a little bit further, then you could say we have this falling wedge right now. So if you're trading it, you could do it, but be careful. That is a little bit like this, or a bit more like this. That's maybe better. Usually they break out to the upside, but became bearish in, so then the continuation could also happen. Like I said, usually will break out to the upside, and then your price target is kind of the top here of the wedge. So a lot of mixed signals right now. That's why I'm saying be careful, stay a little bit on the sideline before you are really entering into any new trades. Let's quickly head over to ETH. There we see that we got rejected from this resistance here. We're going lower. Now we're finding support on a 2780. That is a line that we already draw a long time ago, where we had a lot of support and resistance coming in. Also, a lot of times, that's why I'm just leaving these lines here, because we're going to use it anyway so many times. So just be very careful with that. And then of course, if we're going to break it, then my next target would be among maybe actually 2700. I haven't pulled it in yet, because if we are, let me see, if we're doing this, sorry, 2600, then yeah, that will be the 61.8 in case we are going down. Or was it somewhere here? Yeah, I think it was somewhere here. Yeah, the 2750-ish. I also saw some other traders having that as a target. 2750 would be then my next target if we're going down. But if you pull a little bit bigger, you're doing stuff more than macro, then this is what I'm looking out for, so 2500. But let's see how it goes. Like I said, it's finding a bit of a base now, so on a very short term, be careful. This thing could reverse soon. So far I see actually a lot of purchasing power in the market. So yeah, there's just a lot of buying orders actually from down here. There could also always be a wheel on someone just dumping a lot of money. There could also always be, but like I said, just be a little bit careful now with your trades and stick to the charts, take your profits, and be very tight with your stop losses. Okay guys, that will be it for now. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all. See you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye bye.